Good morning, my people. Good afternoon. Anywhere you dey watch me from, I greet you. Just bring small news. Just want to talk small news now. Very important news. Most especially now, I will talk about the €600 for the farmers when they propose come out, they never approve them. Not just propose. And I know say I like to talk about Nigeria. Most especially this our governor called Governor Wike for Cross River State. But first of all, we'll go for the €600. My people, I know since when this coronavirus they start, all these people when they do agricultural sector, they risk their life. They go farm. They make sure say everybody gets food to eat. You understand? So this federation called CISL come bring this proposal to the government, to Italian government. Say may they try, may they give them people when they work for agricultural sector, may they give them this €600 bonus. Say because now the time when this coronavirus they ground, when it even worst, it's still when it worst, now them now they risk their life, they go make sure say people go see food chop. So they deserve this money. You understand? But they never approve them. It's not for people. They say not for people when you work from April. You understand? When you work from April. So now the city they on proposal and proposal they never approve them, my people. Don't carry fake news. They never approve them. Now it's still there on now debate. It's still there on debate now. It's a proposal now. You understand? So that is for the €600. For me, I think they deserve it because if you reason even when the coronavirus they high, now then they risk their life. They go farm, they go this one, they make sure say when they house we get food to chop. I wish not be them hungry for kill many people even before the coronavirus. You understand? So my people, more come to Nigeria now because me I like to talk about Nigeria. Una know. So this our governor, when they call Governor Wike, this Port Harcourt governor. We dey see the way they do a lockdown, the pressure and all that when they put it, even by itself they come outside, they go they control a state. You understand? For me, I like the way they do them. You understand? Even when some trucks offload, they carry some trucks. They say maybe now what they call them all this cow and all these livestock. Now they for inside. They don't know say they go pack all these what they call them, all these northern people, all these Fulani people. They go pack them, they come Port Harcourt before. The man see them, the man stop them, which is a good work. But the thing now it can't be say when it can't they baffle me now. Now when the man go to demolish, I know say most of you don't see the news. Go to demolish that hotel, demolish person life. You understand? So for me, I not think say that one did right. You understand? Because that one is very, 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 very bad. To go demolish, simply say the person go against a law. You understand? Say the person go against the law, saying say they lock down, the person still open the hotel because of that one in demolition. My people, I don't know the way una reason now. You understand? For me, I think it don't too pass the boundary because before you demolish person property, you're supposed to now court now they give that order, not the governor. The governor now the governor they pass the law. Then the maybe anybody can't go against the law. The governor go sue the person for court or the establishment for court. You understand? So for there now, then the court now go come give say, okay, this person you are fined so you don't they don't fine you so this one, or they don't fine you so this one. So you understand? So the way go to demolish that person hotel is very, 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 very wrong, my people. I don't know your side of you, so you feel leave your side of you if you put on for my comment section there. You understand? So the next one I want to talk again. I know see many people go bash me for this one for pastor. Our pastors, most especially the pastor when they call Odumeje, you say na him be lion liquid metal. I don't know because I know they won't know them. You understand? So my people, I don't know the one reason that pastor. I don't know the one reason that pastor at all, because the way they do things and all that, for me, you know, I know the Bible say don't judge. Many of our people for here go say tell me now say don't judge. But the way they do things, I'm not sure. See, you understand? Because it really passed. For me, I dey look like a actor. I dey look like a celebrity. I just dey look like a comedian actor. Now they look like actor when they're for comedy. Now they look like I don't look him like pastor. You understand? So that is for the pastor. Call him what is they call him? Odumeje say na in a liquid metal. So my people, this lockdown when they don't open, so let's come to Italy now. This lockdown when they don't open, so for Italy, I beg my people, I beg. I use God beg most we black. When I see the what happened to the other, what happened to one guy, na Italian. When I see muta when they give her, most of them don't read the news. When I don't see muta when they give her. So my people, I beg, I won't beg all of you. If you know, say you not get where you dey go, you not get important thing when you dey go do for outside. May we stay house, may we respect ourselves. You understand? May we respect ourselves, so that this our brother now, when they follow Salvini, they drag now. May we give them something. You understand? May we make example for grant for him. Salvini now say they want protest against sharing of documents. You understand? So that boy now they say if Salvini protest against sharing of document, them now blacks now for farming sector, for agricultural sector, they go on strike. Not be only black. You understand? So I dey beg all of you now. May we give this guy, may we give him something. May we lay example for ground, because the guy now they say there are some blacks when enough they put their head down. Not all. Now so it dey for all country. There are some people when not they put their head down. There are some people when they put their head down. You understand? So not be say maybe one person do something, they go use and say na everybody. You understand? So I really don't think that is right. You understand? Because Salvini, everybody knows say Salvini not feel like migrant. Everybody know that one. So the way he's going about it now, trying to say one protest against the documents. But I so much thank God for this our brother. I so much thank God for having someone like that. When we say now, I think come out, he don't push Salvini, he don't push Salvini leg well. You understand now? So my people, I just so much thank God for that brother. So now make me say, make we come out, make we try respect the rules. You understand? Social distance. Most they keep social distancing and mask. The most important thing are mask and social distancing. If you not get where you go, stay your house. Stay your house if you not get where you go. This period, not be praying all the day they waka anyhow. My people, I beg. This small news, one say my break up my can't tell you this morning. Now be this one. So the farm agricultural people, mona they pray well, so that may they fit pass the law. At least when I go gain am for una suffer, una don't suffer. You understand? So I see you next time. This is Eric Solomon TV show. If you never support the channel, you see the red button there. Press the red button and give me some thumbs up. Thank you. Leave your side of view in my comment section. Ciao. See you next time.